What is up YouTube? Welcome back again. It's your buddy technoboy, and in this video I'm gonna unbox the cutest Bluetooth speaker. There you can see, and I call you cutest because as you can see that's the speaker. It's a retro style speaker, the old ones. When I take this out from the box, you'll see it will look much cuter in real than the picture. Well, you have seen many designs of Bluetooth speaker. This is a kind of unique one, like very old, like when the radio was started, that kind of radio kind of thing. As you can see, very compact in size, and this is from MZ wireless speaker. As you can see, M209, that's the model number, and it's a 5-watt speaker, TWS, TF card. That's the basic things, and you'll get in this 3 colors option: black, beige, and baby pink. So this is the beige color. Let's unbox this and check the speaker. At the top you get this type C charging cord as usual, and well, that's the speaker. Let's take it out. Wow, beautiful, isn't it? And you get this leather strap at the top so you can hold it and can carry it anywhere. And hopefully you can see this is not white as camera is picking up the color. It's kind of whitish, but it's a beige color. Nice one, and with the golden border and this golden color grill, and also the buttons and this knob here all golden color. So that's a very cute, nice looking speaker. And on the right side here you get this USB card, TF card slot, and type C charging port. And on the left side there is nothing. And at the back here, as you can see, the speaker kind of thing, and I guess this is a passive radiator, of course. So on the other side of this thing here, you can see that's the speaker. And as I can see, it's a pretty good size speaker, almost 3-inch, I guess, with the rubber surround, as I can see it from here. That's nice. And here you can see the radio channel frequency numbers are there, so you just can adjust. But this look nice. They have given the switch here, a push button switch on off, and the previous, next, and of course this is the play, pause, and mode button in this one button here. And here at the bottom you get this anti-slipping pads. So now let's turn this thing on and check out the sound.
Welcome to MC Music World.
Bluetooth mode.
Oh, the first one, the lady voice, was as usual we get on the other speakers, but after that the male voice, that was like heavy and kind of vibrating kind of thing. So I think the speaker and the passive radiator is a very good one. So now let's connect this to my mobile phone and check the sound.
To make it better, but I'm only human. Some days it's hard to move on, so I keep fighting every day. I don't blame myself for my mistakes. I'm only human. Switch. Down to 0 plus
all about humanity. It's all about humanity.
So as I told you, the clarity is good and the bass is very good. So I must say that's a bang for buck speaker. And this thing cost me around 430, I think. And you can find this on Flipkart and Amazon. So this is like for 420 or 30. This speaker is amazing. As you can see the looks, you can keep this thing on your desktop or anywhere on your shelves or rack, anywhere, and this thing will give you nice look right there. So that's it. I'll give the link in the description below, and you can check my affiliate links too. You can shop from there, as the Flipkart or and Myntra. You can buy with confidence. So that's it. Check out my other channel links from the description too. So that's all for today. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.